What attracted me to a career in aviation? A few aspects of the job. I liked that it was a dynamic job, that you were doing something different every day, that you were seeing the world with a view that not many people see, working with like-minded, passionate people. I didn't want to sit in an office every day, and this office moves and sees incredible things. It was a childhood dream for me, but I also work with people who decided quite late in life that they wanted to be a pilot. Many people would believe that there is a technical background needed for this job, and it's not true. It helps, but it's not completely necessary. You want to have people skills, management skills, teamwork skills, communication skills, be passionate about what you do. The training for me took 18 months overall from day one to sitting in an A320, and it was probably the quickest, hardest, most enjoyable 18 months of my whole life. There were loads of highlights during the course. Passing each and every exam is a huge highlight because you put a lot of hours work into studying for them. Flying solo was a major highlight for me. I personally came from about 3 hours flying experience in a light aircraft, and after about 10 hours down in Spain, I was allowed to fly a light aircraft by myself. Flying the A320, the first day that you fly that, incredible. There's no feeling like it. My experience of Aer Lingus since I started flying last year has been hugely positive. The job comes with its difficulties. It's not exactly the romantic type of job that you see in the movies. The shift work aspect can be tough at times, but that said, you're getting up and doing a job that you love, and there's a huge amount of passionate people surrounding you doing the same thing. If I had any advice for someone going for this job, I would say believe in yourself 100%. Find something that makes you stand out. In terms of your preparation, keep studying everything that you can, because the smallest little obscure piece of information might make you stand out from the crowd. Go into it with passion and being able to talk about your skills in a way that you can apply to the job, and you'll go really far. My name is Aoife and I'm a first officer with Aer Lingus.